Also breaking this morning, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell giving what could be his last major speech as the head of the central bank. Powell's term as Fed chair is up in May of next year, and those remarks took place at the annual Jackson Hole in Wyoming. They come amid mounting pressure from the Trump administration to cut interest rates. Here's Powell talking about inflation and interest rates earlier. Listen.
Another possibility is that inflation expectations could move up, dragging actual inflation with them. Inflation has been above our target for more than 4 years and remains a prominent concern for households and businesses. Measures of longer-term inflation expectations, however, as reflected in market and survey-based measures, appear to remain well anchored and consistent with our longer-run inflation objective of 2%. Of course, we cannot take the stability of inflation expectations for granted. Come what may, we will not allow a one-time increase in the price level to become an ongoing inflation problem.
We're joined now by Akin Oyedele, deputy editor of newsletters at Business Insider. Akin, thank you for joining us today on 24/7. Your thoughts on what we just heard from Fed Chair Jerome Powell?
So this is pretty much exactly what markets were hoping to hear. Powell essentially opened the door for a rate cut next month without actually saying that that's exactly what the Fed's going to do. He has to walk this fine line between signaling the Fed intentions without actually saying anything that is explicit. And so, every single person I'm sure has experienced the high inflation that he spoke about. And that has, sort of brought up this long running speculation that the Fed will cut rates, and the Fed has been under pressure from President Trump himself to cut rates. And now we have the clearest indication yet that based on the risks to inflation, as well as the risks to the labor market, which is something else that Jerome Powell talked about, the Fed is likely to cut rates when it meets next month.
Yeah. So also following Powell's speech, the Dow hit an all-time inter-high. Like, how are investors looking at this spike? Is this good? Is it bad? What are your thoughts?
Well, for people who own stocks, higher prices are always good. And, I think the signal, to say the obvious, but the signal that sort of to explain why stocks would be higher, essentially rate cuts are kind of like a jet fuel for certain parts of the economy. You think of something like housing, where, people are more likely to want to buy a house if rates are lower. Also, parts of the stock market that are more like growth oriented tend to do better when rates are lower. And so it's kind of it's like fuel to the economy, which means that companies, at least the expectation is that company earnings will be stronger, and that's why you see the market react so strongly. Also, the reaction, today we're up, and if we close, it'll be the first higher close of the week, and so it kind of is like a relief rally. The market's saying, this is what we wanted to hear. We've heard it. And so, we can buy from here. The uncertainty about what Powell is going to say has lifted, and it's exactly what we wanted to hear. And so up and away we go, essentially.
All right. We will take some good news wherever we can get it. Akin Oyedele, deputy editor at Business Insider, thank you for your insights today. We appreciate it.